Past weeks, Robbie Doherty has been blown up on TikTok. So as requested, in this video we're gonna deconstruct his style, including those typical chord steps, melodic fills, drums, bass, all that stuff. So without further ado, let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with the main element, that typical chord sound, and just make a basic G minor chord and layer the root note on top of it as well. Then we're gonna go up to the 6th, invert it so the top note is down, and again make it rhythmic at the end. Then just duplicate it and go down to the C sus chord. And again, small variation at the end. Then quantize it to get it slightly off the grid for some more groove. So altogether our chord progression sounds like this. Now we're gonna create a preset, so first the sub oscillator 1 octave down, shape the envelope like this, write some decay, a little bit less sustain. Then for oscillator A, go to the sample tool and stack this vocal sample. And layer it with a detuned saw. Some noise. And further on the top end of oscillator A. All of those sounds have a phaser in it, so it's a key element in the sound. Remove the low end. Some hyper. And finish off with some reverb and delay. Already quite close, but we need some more mixing, so first remove the low end. And open up the highs. Some OTT. Some fresh air to open up more highs. And reverb and delay. Combine with sidechain. So altogether the main chords sound like this. You got our main chords ready, so now we need to make some more melodic fills to make it a bit more interesting. So let's add in a new serum. Go to the After Hours 2 pack and pick a plug sound. Let's go for this one. And just make a synth fill. And of course we need to mix it some more. Just some basics by removing the low ends. Bit of the reverb and delay. So then just drop in another serum. With the same mixing, and again pick another plug sound. Let's go for this one, and this time we're gonna make a MIDI based around the root note. So let's start off on the G, really high up. Doesn't make much sense, but in context it will sound really cool, so let's hear it all together. Yeah, that's way better than only the chords, so let's continue the layering. So again, in its serum, same mixing, and pick a lead sound from the pack. I think this one sounds cool, so for this sound I wanna add some top notes on the chord, some 7th notes. So the first chord is a G minor chord. So the 7th note is an F. And just do the same for the whole progression. Something like this. Then just remove the chords and place it on top of the other melodies. So those are those typical minimal house fills. Altogether our synth stack sounds like this. Now we're gonna continue with the bass. So first let's create a MIDI. Following the chords, I got a chord spaced in. Now we're gonna create a bass. So first, pick a square wave 2 octaves down, bit of detune. Same for oscillator B, but it's a saw wave -1 octave. Giving this really gritty bass. Sustain is a bit back. And then a lot of distortion. Combined with the filtering. With envelope 1 to the cutoff. Then just some compression. Reverb and delay. It sounds like this. So this will be our foundation. Now we're gonna continue with the drums. First, let's start with a kick. on every beat and double kick at the end of every 2 beats. Then we're gonna use this clap from the After Hours pack. Then open it. And then it's time to add some more groove loops to it. So open up the After Hours pack. First we're gonna add this glitch loop for some more groove. You can barely hear it, but it adds some more groove to it. Then we're gonna drop in this head loop at a really low volume. Again, adding some more groove and finish it off with a shaker loop. Altogether sounding like this. And then to finish off the drums, I added this crash loop to it as well. So altogether our drums sound like this. Now we're gonna continue with the arrangement and adding some more ear candy. First I added these ambiances from the back. And a really low volume. But it fills it up some more. So with it. And without. So just copy over the synths. And let's work on a breakdown. Let's copy over the drums to the first part. Together with the ambience stack. Which is cool, but we need to remove the sidechain in the breakdown. So I added these automations. Removing the sidechain. And then dropping that top melody in the second part of the break. And we need to fill it up with some more FX. Just like this. And then some more tension. And then a small build up with the crashes. Which is really cool, but it misses something, so let's go to Splice and search for a pre-drop vocal sample.
Don't stop.
Like this one.
Don't stop.
Here, giving some cool effect to it, and then mix it. Remove the low ends.
Don't stop.
Add a stutter to it.
Don't stop.
Combined with some delay and reverb.
Don't stop.
Giving us this really cool pre-drop vocal sample. Like this. Removing the lows in the build up. And then just make a small intro with the basic drums, bass, and these ear candy sounds. Maybe we can drop in the shakers as well. Alright, the second part. So altogether, this will be our Robbie Doherty kind of style track. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.